Asin? Parang hindi pwede kasi tatalin C sa O, no? Hindi yata pwedeng cousin. Let me know kung mabubuo siya in another way, okay? What else? Let's do it. Wood. WOOD, Cherilyn. I can see your comment. WOOD, don't worry anymore. Nakikita na kita. Remind. REMIND, merong remind. Meron ding wood, ha? And dozen. DOZEN. Yes, this is the letter Z kasi meron siya underline dun sa baba. Filter. FILTER. Yes, meron. Moving on. Wood meron. Wooden. WOODEN. Very good. So let's go on to the other words. Count. I don't think we can form count kasi COUNT, no? Kasi dapat O yung kadikit ng C. Tama ba ako, guys? Classmates. No problem. Pwedeng magkamali. No problem. Remind meron. Wood meron. Wonder. WO si Jaula. WOND. WON. Hindi pwedeng wonder kasi nandito yung N. It needs to jump over to letter D. Okay, kasi letter Z to. Hindi pwedeng wonder. Do we have another way to do it? Let me know. Okay, so what are the other words that we can see on the board right now? Merong filter, ha? Remits. REMITS. May remits. Union. UNIO. Can we do union? UNION. Very good. Okay, we form union in a longer distance. Suited. SUITED. May suited. Diamond Sin is on the board naman, kaya lang we're looking for words that are four-letter words and up. Okay, onion. ONION. May onion. Naalala niyo pa guys nung nagmahal yung onion, no? ANIME. Naging siya, national news pa siya. Anime Marvin meron. Suited Union meron. Counts. We cannot do counts kasi C needs to connect with O. Meron sila nasa pagitan na U. Dapat nagkapalit to para mabuo siya. Okay? Mr. MISTER. Merong Mr. Very good. Filter meron Donna. Ozone. Abigail. Let's do ozone. AOZON. How do we do it? OZONE. Very good, ha? It's kinda, nakakalito siyang konti, pero nabuo natin siya. Doze. DOZE meron. Okay, under.